Mother Nature likes to do that. We had a, so when I was fixing to start, actually it was when I had a tank out, these weirdo old people, and they have a retarded son. I haven't met the daughter, but they used to have two big dogs that would always get out. Hey girl! But anyways, I was with Tank, and they got a new dog from the shelter, little Chihuahua. It got out of its harness. So I had to go track them down, help them track him down, right? So we got their dog back. Then we had a nice downpour, which is good because I needed to eat breakfast. But it started like right after, like right when I got in, I was fixing to get the next ones. What you doing? You go pause? Good girl. Ready to go to bed? This one. Hey. This one over here. You don't like it because it's wet? What are you supposed to do on your bed? So all that, what are you supposed to do is nothing but white noise, but she picked up the bed part of it, right? Ready, go touch. Have you always done? Have you never worn that? Here, pause. Good girls. So then I came out with Waylon just a minute ago, and it was still raining. Hey, go around. Yeah, good girl. I can't move back fast because my knee is hurted bad. Only a little bit. Ready, looky. Go around. Hey, psst. Distracted by a rapper. Go around. Ah, ready? Come here. Go around. There we go. I don't know what that was. Ready? Go to bed? Good. We'll take it. She's on there, right? Let's go touch. See my hand motion too soon? Hey. Go touch. Go touch. Good. So when I was with Waylon, I forgot to hit the button, and it was raining. So then I put on the shirt, the shirt and the hat. Let's go pause. Good. Break. You don't want to go get the ball, dude? She's like, I want more food. What was I gonna say? Oh, you can't talk when you're facing away with this one. I think I can be sideways. It's that good girl. Here, you want this ball? Oh, now it's starting to rain again. So anyways, I was gonna say, I wasn't ready for the sprinkles. So then with her, I got ready for the sprinkles and then stopped. That's Mother Nature, right? Hey. Hey. Oh boy, what a day. I still gotta get the puppy one more time for a potty walk. Oh, that's a good girl. You like doing that one? That's Waylon's favorite thing to do. And then, what's his name? Sammy. It looks like it's gonna sprinkle all day, doesn't it? So anyways, get out in the rain, dude. No big deal. It's water. It's one less day you have to take a shower. You wanna do more work? Ready to go to bed? You don't like that today, do you? Ready, heel? Hey! Come on. You know this. Act like you don't know it. Look. Heel. You know this shit, dude. Here, come on. Look. Help her too much, right? Go to bed? I tried to play with you, dude. You didn't want to play. Crazy. Right? Ready? Go to bed? I need to be better with my hands, right? Go pause. Hey. Pause. Yes, do it. Do it. Do it, do it, to it. Oh, that little chump stuff. Ready, touch. This one I can keep a point. You still got a little bitty piece of food in your mouth? On the touch. Get on there. Get on. Get on there. Good. Break. I wonder how much like jackhole and stuff like this carries over the other crap. Right? Because they say small transgressions can lead to bigger transgressions. And then I think about this stuff as kind of inconsequential, silly stuff. It's just stuff to do, right? Does that really carry over to when you call her? Or, I don't know, I'm tired now. Puppy had me up all night, got the shits again. Why is it that puppy got the shits again? I didn't let him get into anything. It's been a couple weeks since the last time. It can't be because he's fully on this one puppy food now, because I've done 2 containers where it's half and half of the food and puppy food. I kind of think that's what happened last time when I got him to where he was only on the puppy food. Was that a different brand or was that this brand? Oh, maybe that's what it is. Oh, good girl. We should be doing something else, huh? Go take you to go poo-poo. I don't know, dude. I guess if you don't have problems with other stuff, who cares about this stuff, right? I guess you prevent other problems by not allowing that kind of stuff. Is it bad that I let her jackhole around before we do something? When I tell her to? Ask her to? Whatever the you want to say? Oh, we're gonna free walk. Free walk out, structure walk back. Yeah, we're getting some nice rain now. We're getting us some water now, huh, girl?